Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. I'm from Team 4 Vectura. This is this is presentation for a project chair and table transporter.
I'm Fadliananda, and this is initial section covers the system requirement review, including the variable output. Identify need. A robot must be able to move table and chairs. System requirement: functional, non-functional, performance. Functional: robot can lift the table and chairs strongly, quickly, and efficiently. Specification based of system requirement: using a stepper motor DC, using a scissor lift mechanical, and success criteria: the robot can lift table and chairs with an error of in 5% in 10 tests. Concept design include system diagram, mechanical concept, and program algorithm. Aspect is need and problem statement, solution IDs, selection solution IDs, game components, strategies, and algorithm. And description concept. Students need to design robot capable of transporting their table to moving friendly indoors, use the remote control to manage design recruitment, the algorithm will displaying for mobile-based control, and edge. This is the system diagram. Input supply and battery, process to microcontroller ESP, output to motor DC, motor servo. Concept design algorithm: one, standby input from the on-off button to start the robot. The robot adjusts the initial position to be ready to pick up the object. The position is correct. Press to step 4, the robot moves toward the object. If the position is not correct, return to step 2, adjust its initial position, be ready to pick up the object. 5. The robot lifts the object using lift mechanics. 6. The robot carries the object, table and chair, to the desired location. 7 is has reached the destination, press to step 8. The robot lowers the object to the desired location. If has not reaches the destination, return to step 6. The robot carries the object to the desired location. 8. 9. The program stops or waits for the next command. Next. Preliminary design including initial 3D design, hardware selection, and program project. The spec review. The system specification or the design specification is accordance with the need for the use. Checklist is V for yes and X for no. In the notes, the robot must be able to lift chair and table. Architecture and design concept is the system as the architecture diagram already created and adjusted. V for yes, the architecture diagram includes ESP, DC motor, and servo motor. Risk analysis. Have technical risks been identified and evaluated? Yes. Main risk: limit battery power, limit the adhesion of the console and the fans to further secure cable and chair to be lifted.
Okay, this is preliminary design including initial 3D design. Here is an initial 3D design in an isometric view. This is an older design from the first semester and its creation was complete in the second semester. This is our final design. Next. This is a hardware selection and program flowchart. In this preliminary design review, we present the program flowchart of our chair and table transporter robot. The robot starts by initializing the ESP8266 motors and sensors, then connect to Wi-Fi and the Blink application. After Receiving a command, it identifies the object, leaves it using the scissor lift, moves to the destination, places the object down, and returns to standby mode, ready for the next command. Okay, next, this is we have technical specification, electronic design, sensor selection, performance of the algorithm, speed and maneuverability, power and energy consumption, mechanical design, lifter integration, overall system testing, and technical documentation. Okay, next, this is our final 3D model.
It's a schematic and wiring diagram for a charitable transporter robot. This component battery charger for the robot, and next, and this component for a battery for to charge for the supply power in the robot, and this battery management system for safety for battery, and this push button on off the robot, and this um, step down for a step voltage to 12 V voltage out, and this step down 2 component, and for step fall to 12 for 5 V voltage, and this two driver motor for a control motor to lifter and motor movement robot, and we use two microcontroller ESP and Arduino Uno for ESP for control the movement motor, and Arduino Uno is a control to lifter motor, and a control for limit for up and down lifter, and this limits it for limit up and down to lifter. And this is a algorithm for a robot charitable transporter. One, turn on a robot system. Two, initialization of a component. And three, connect Wi-Fi for a system link. And five, connection. And next, read and identification command, and command for up this robot for this lifter, and movement move if a command for up lifter, and this active scatter lifter mechanism move a linear actuator upward, and while object not lifted do continue lifting process, and well else if a component else if a command done a lifter, then active a scatter mechanism move reverse actuator upward, actuator reverse force motor to down actuator. This is a final design mechanical in a robot. We use every we use we use acrylic for every frame the robot and elbow the robot. This is a dimension for the robot, and this final design schematic the robot.
This is our project timeline from week 1 through week 6. And week 1 is problem identification and concept design. Week 2 and week 3 analysis of component, circuit, structure and control system. Week 4 in mechanical and program development. Week 5 electrical diagram and schematic wiring control system. And week 6 final report and presentation. Next. The following is the division of tasks in our project work. Is Novel Pradabayu, Electrical and Program, Fadli Ananda, Mechanical and Report, Bunga Artalina Borpurba, Mechanical and Report, Esra Damira Sultana, Program and Report. And scheduling, resource allocation, activity implementation management, performance evaluation on our project. Total budget is 400,000 rupiah and total item 27 units, and hardware and software is same. The total budget is 400,000 rupiah and total item 27 units. And in the final part, the final robot, and in the final part, we made a conclusion. Here is chair and table transporter robot is created by Batam State Polytechnic student to make it easier for staff or officer to carry out their duties. For example, when table and chair are moved into the auditorium, when there is a robot, the robot will help with the heavy work, where workers only need to be operated, and this robot will move according to the instruction when the robot remote control is operated. The robot will move the table or chair following the instruction from the operator directly. And with this robot, it will increase efficiency in work and reduce the workload of officers, such as the risk of injury and the risk of the damage to the material being lifted. Thank you.
Here is your project presentation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.